Look at Aiden. Look at Aiden. He's gonna be 18 months old tomorrow. Swimming in his alligator pool. Yeah. Really? You say alligator? Alligator. 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 Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Is that your alligator pool? Really? Tell me about your alligator pool. Tell me about your alligator pool. Is that water? And that's all he's got to say, folks. Alligator. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye. Okay, bye-bye, silly.